Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this short video. I want to show you how you can repair a hole in your trampoline. So let's go ahead and jump in and check this out. Here's the hole in the trampoline that I'm going to try to repair, and I am going to use some flex tape. So we will check this out and see if it works. So I went ahead and put the bottom seal on it. As you can tell, you can see the bottom seal is sticky right here. And went ahead and smoothed it all out, got all the bubbles out. Now I'm gonna put it on the top and let's hope that it sticks. Well, hey guys, I just repaired the top of the trampoline right here, as you can tell, with that flex tape. What I'm gonna do is wait a couple months and see if this actually sticks after my kids have jumped on it and played on it, and see if it actually works before I put this video back out. But I will check you guys in a couple months to see if this works. Well, hey guys, this is the 3-month update. As you can see, that this tape is still stuck on here pretty good. There are no more rips or holes that are sticking out or coming out of here. It has worked pretty well. As you can tell, it is a little bit later because all of the trees have greened up, grass is growing, and everything looks good. So it's been about 3 months. We've jumped on here as adults. Our kids have jumped on here. It's been hot, it's been cold. They've played on it with the sprinkler. And it has stuck and stood the test of time so far for about 3 months. I think it still has worked pretty well. No more holes or anything like that, so I think it's great. And on the bottom, it's done pretty well too. So I highly recommend this flex tape. I think it works. We'll see how long it stays, but I think, again, this is a great option for trying to patch a hole in your trampoline. Well, hey guys, thanks so much again for checking out this video today. I'd love to know if this video was helpful for you. You can leave a like and subscribe for more videos like this, and even leave me a comment down below with questions or anything, or even let me know if this was helpful for you today. There's also other videos that are going to be popping up right here. You can check out other videos about trampolines or even other videos about kid stuff around the house. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next one.